The history of poultry is very old. Our ancient history bears witness to the fact that the people of India were quite familiar with fowl, quail and turkey about 5,000 years ago. But then the chicken was considered neither as food nor an egg machine. It was something of an entertainer. The basic strains of chicken were probably first brought to Europe around 500 BC by the returning troops of Alexander the Great, and later with the Roman occupation which spread through Europe. With the advent of European settlers into the American subcontinent, the idea of poultry farming borrowed from Europe soon struck deep in the American soil, where it flourished and developed very rapidly. If the Romans in Europe could be given the credit for being the first to appreciate eggs and poultry meat, it was the Philippines which were among the first in Asia to put some semblance on poultry farming for egg and meat. All said and done, the basic fact remains that it was India which gifted to the world the red jungle fowls, from which most of the contemporary breeds as we know today originated. Since then, the poultry industry throughout the world has made rapid strides in the production of poultry to feed a growing human population with high-quality protein. The hybrid chicken, since its arrival in the livestock industry in the 1940s, has given animal agriculture a whole new realm of possibility in its quest for increased productivity. With genetics, breeders have been able to not only increase production but also produce a remarkably uniform bird in production characteristics and many other favorable attributes. The engineering process used to bring forth production gains in this new hybrid chicken is based on the selection of breeding stock with the basic principles of classical population genetics applied to variations of the technique of reciprocal recurrent selection. Traditionally, however, the major emphasis has been to select breeding stock based upon its family performance rather than individual performance. This selection not only relates to a particular desired trait, but the breeder is also very concerned with the availability of a selected genetic line or family to transmit the desired characteristic to the progeny. Today, the world of poultry breeding has begun exploring the domains of molecular genetics and DNA manipulation to improve productivity. Marshall Breeders, involved in pure line research and development, is a company of the Nasik-based group called C&M. The company has developed high-tech genetic programs that are designed to improve breeder and broiler performance through the use of cutting-edge technology. This is supported by the Marshall R&D team that consists of geneticists, veterinarians, scientists and statisticians using programs that include the latest in index selection techniques in the world along with the use of modern data-gathering gadgets. The research program depends heavily on high-performance servers and customized software. The company has set up large and comprehensive world-class R&D facilities, and over a period of time, the company has developed a very vast genetic pool of chickens. It is the company's mission to produce outstanding broiler products that will surpass customer expectations, thus ensuring that they profit from our genetics. The R&D program is carried out in extreme climates, and the houses are designed to expose birds to these conditions. This strategy, which is at the heart of the Marshall program, has resulted in the development of robust strains of chickens that can perform in any type of environment. The research program has two distinct areas of focus, the male line and the female line. In the male line, the breeding objectives include to enhance body weights while adding to carcass conformation and meat yield, to continuously improve the FCR, to improve on livability, and to improve on fertility and hatchability. Chicks are selected at 32 days with very high selection intensity of body weights and body conformation with family averages. The birds then undergo intensive selection for FCR. Progeny testing programs are designed to enhance resistance and livability under commercial conditions. Males are subjected to fertility testing, including sperm quality analysis using the latest techniques. On the female line side, the main breeding objectives include to improve egg numbers, to improve egg size and quality, to improve livability and disease resistance, and finally to develop a well-balanced female that will give good PS level performance without losing the primary objective of getting good body weights and FCR at the broiler level. All female line chicks are selected at 32 days after hatch for body weights and conformation. These birds are also tested for their ability to contribute towards improving the FCR. The selected birds are then housed in individual cages to record data like age at maturity, egg weights, egg numbers, consistency in production and shell quality. At 40 weeks, females are selected on the basis of individual performance and performance of their families. The data is compiled using complex equations assisted by high-end software to arrive at the proper selection. Females are also selected for increased fertility contribution from the female side. All female line birds are maintained in individual cages to ensure the highest levels of biosecurity and to minimize bird-to-bird contact. The eggs produced from each pedigreed bird are individually recorded and marked. These eggs are then set dam-wise in setter machines for the pedigree hatch. They are then transferred dam-wise to the individual baskets for hatch. The chicks once hatched are recorded, sexed and wing banded individually to maintain their family tree. Geneticists at Marshall have an ambitious genetic improvement plan for all their lines. This ensures that every generation of breeding stock is continuously upgraded and that the customers receive improved genetic material with each consignment of grandparent and parent stock. It is common knowledge that for a breed to work, it should not only have outstanding genetic potential but should also be healthy and free from vertically transmittable diseases. In order to produce healthy stock, a very detailed quality control and health program supports R&D. The objective of this program is to produce grandparents that are free of Salmonella gallinarum, Pullorum, Enteritidis and Typhimurium, and also Mycoplasma and Leukosis. The program constantly monitors and checks for the presence of vertically transmittable disease-causing agents. Biosecurity is checked thoroughly by conducting sanitation audits on all inputs like feed, litter, personnel and environment, hatcheries and the transportation system. A well-equipped virology laboratory serves as the reference center for the group's R&D activity. All pedigree stocks and grandparent stocks are screened for the avian leukosis complex, Salmonella and Mycoplasma. These birds are tested at least 5 times in their life cycle for the presence of these diseases. The virology facility is also used for titration and to monitor the presence of extraneous pathogens in all vaccines used in the production cycle. Our scientists are constantly developing new technologies to increase disease resistance in all lines, including work to improve the immunological response of the birds to vaccines. There is very close coordination between the line geneticist and the laboratory. The Marshall breeding program has several important male lines, each having different characters. A particular combination of male lines is crossed at the grandparent level to produce a hybrid parent male. One such combination produces the Marshall FG male. Similarly, the Marshall program has several important female lines that differ from each other in their characters. A specific combination of female lines is crossed at the grandparent level to produce a hybrid parent female. One such combination is used to produce the Marshall FG female. The Marshall FG package is designed to produce parent stock with high hen-housed egg numbers, good fertility and hatchability, resulting in low chick production cost and excellent livability. At the broiler level, a product with rapid growth rate, outstanding feed conversion ratio, excellent livability and high overall processing yield. Some of the other products being developed by Marshall include a high meat yielding product called Marshall MY. This product ensures the production of breast meat at the lowest cost for specialized markets. A high resistance product with good chick numbers and high heat resistance is called Marshall R. This product will withstand high temperature and humidity conditions in open houses and suboptimal environment. Marshall Breeders operates from the foundation of integrity and commitment to provide the industry with the best broiler breeding stock. Due to all these efforts, within a short period of time, customers have experienced remarkable results with our broilers. These results are seen on a wide variety of farms in diverse geographical zones and extreme climatic conditions involving millions of chickens every week. The group has also received a prestigious award for its contribution towards export of broiler stock from India. C&M Group. We stand for total quality, and this is what you can count on.